Greetings and welcome to VertexFX's tutorial. Today, we'll explore the functionalities of the VertexFX mobile application. Let's dive in by opening the application. You'll notice 4 options: quotes, charts, trades, history, and net. Starting with quotes, you can view symbols for trade execution. Simply search for the desired symbol and open the trade. Moving on to charts, observe the visual representation of currency pairs like the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Here, you can also access indicators and execute buy or sell orders directly. Upon executing a trade, check the position status. Returning to charts, you'll notice the time frame options: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. This allows you to analyze the historical data of any symbol within the chart. Closing a trade is simple. Select it and close it with just one click. Your position is now closed. Next, explore the history section to review your daily, weekly, and monthly credit activities. Customization options are available for a more detailed overview. Proceed to the net trade section, where your total trades are summed up with both gains and losses. Here, you'll find essential options such as profit. Explore the balance section for insights into equity, profit and loss, margin, and the values of all opened and closed trades. Account number and free charging options are conveniently located on the left side, along with additional features. Delve into the extra options, including news, to stay updated on market trends. The mobile application provides a comprehensive trading experience, allowing you to trade efficiently by staying informed with real-time news. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our video. Thank you for joining us today.